Welcome back. This is Fredrik Nordwall from Tech Nordics with some updates related to our USB spectrum analyzers and some software. So this part I will cover some of the major updates in release 3.11, which is now available for download on www.tech.com. So there's a few things here I like a lot, and one thing is the increased sweep speed in normal spectrum analyzer mode. So if you go in here and you select the max span, and then you go for preferences and then show the parameter readout, you can see now that the sweep speed is in some cases up to 10 times faster. And this one is also where you can select a little bit more readout points. So to do some read measurement here, I can go down to -30. We can see some activities, and I can select here the resolution bandwidth, and still not really a big problem in sweep speed. So one of the tests I did here also was going down here to set the stop around 3 gig, and I think this is a kind of nice update view. So we do a preset. So this is the increased sweep speed. The second one I believe it is crucial also. It's related to the DPX. So I go for the DPX, remove the spectrum, I go in here, and here there's also, we remove the limitation of 100 microseconds related to the POI. So I put this as a 2.44 gig, and the ref level down a little bit, like this. And here I can go for the preferences and show parameter readout. So this is how fast my PC is running now. It's 63, 64. And this is with the recording software that I'm recording this to take some of this stuff out. So this is a very good improvements over the established one. So we can see below 30 megahertz as well. The other thing that I would like to highlight is a little bit of a bug fix. It's related to power. So in the input power here, you can have a loss, a gain and a loss table, and you can add it in, and then you can have all acquired data, and you can see what happens, or as it was before, in just selectable traces. So if you have a gain and loss table for your antenna, you can add the loss or the gain here to that to make a more accurate power measurement. So make sure that you download this one. The third thing I like about this is also the tools related to the licenses. So if you go to the licenses here, you can have the licenses, that was the legacy one, that you have it on the computer. Some customers didn't really enjoy that, but right now you can transfer the licenses to the RSA itself, the USB. So the USB have its own host ID. This is going to be helpful for people that use one device and many different PCs to have all the options you need. One other part is related to recording. Not many of you will know this, but if you go here and the recording, we have some new formats that is now available. And there's the MIDAS and the MIDAS 2D attached. If you know what MIDAS is, then you know. Other than that, there's a lot of bug fixes in general. It's a speed improvement. There's also a new API that you can download, which is reduces the CPU load a lot, but also enables you to record directly with the API a much narrow bandwidth. So this is a very short update on it, and I hope you enjoyed it.